Let's try this again. Cast up by the pillar. Let it sink. Close up the bail. Let's see what we can get. Let it go down. Tap, tap. Pull it away slow. That way you can feel the bite better. Come on. We know you're in there. Tap, tap. Oh, tap, tap. Let it swing back. You can guide it with the tide. Send it back up next to the pillar. Hope it's still got some bait on it. Pull it away. Tap, tap. Gotcha. Gotcha. Huh. Good sized little bluegill. Not the giant that are in here. There are some giants in here. Still, that's a sandwich, you know. Let's give him a flying lesson. Alright, Mr. Bluegill. What's the magic word? F you! What? Alright, that's good enough. Ah. Contact. Let's put another one down there. Chicken on the bottom, hot dog on the top. Down it goes. Just let it pull it away from the pillar real slow. Oh, almost. What do you eat? I ate the chicken, I think. I got a piece of hot dog left on there. It's the joy of using two baits. Oh, we got him, we got him, we got him. Oh, he got off. No, he's on there. He's a thumper. Oh, that's a little bit bigger one. Yeah. Yeah. Getting in the 1 pound range. Uh-oh. Oh, thought I lost my pliers, but they were on the hatch cover. Alright, you. You know the magic word? It's contact. That's right. Alright, contact. Oh, kersplunk. Kersplunk. Pull it back away from the pillar. Ho, ho. Got something. Ba-bing. What do we get? He's a puller. Gotta be a good one. Oh yeah, that's quality bluegill. Maybe he looked bigger down in the water. No, he's still definitely a sandwich. Alright. And he's definitely a contender for a flying lesson, right? Right? Alright. What is the magic word, Mr. Bluegill? He said it's contact. Oh, contact. Now I got you. You're running small today. But they're running, right? See if he's ready for a flying lesson. Contact! Might be a catfish. There, it's a huge bluegill. It's a fighter. Staying down. Whoa. Come on up here. Whatever it is, it liked hot dogs. That's all we had left. Come on, at least want to see what it is. Man. Come on up here. What do we have? Whoa, that's a dandy catfish. Yeah. Hot dogs! Garlic hot dogs. Dude. If we can get it up here. It's just a little tiny hook. Oh, that's a big channel cat. I know it's a white bullhead. I will try to pick it up. See what happens. It's coming up. It's coming up. Coming up. Coming up. A nice little catch. Put my foot up there next to him. See? Alright, Mr. Catfish. Let's get the pliers. Alright, you. Hey. Be cool. And just give him the hook. Alright, Mr. Catfish. Hold still. Alright, you know the magic word? Contact. Na. Splash. Ha ha ha.